Frankincense essential oil for acne, how to use it. 1. Soothing face mask. This mask will help you soothe itchy and painful acne, because it has anti-acne, anti-blemish, and anti-inflammatory properties. Take a clean bowl, and add in it the following ingredients: 2 drops of frankincense essential oil, 2 teaspoons of sandalwood powder, and 2 teaspoons of rose water. Mix everything well, until you get a smooth paste, and apply evenly on your face. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then wash off with lukewarm water, and pat dry using a clean towel. 2. Anti-Acne Overnight Serum. Take an amber glass dropper bottle, and add in it these ingredients: 3 to 4 drops of frankincense essential oil, 1 to 2 drops of tea tree essential oil, 2 to 3 drops of lavender essential oil, and 1 ounce of your favorite carrier oil. Shake the bottle vigorously to combine the ingredients, and store it in a cool and dark place. To use, simply apply 2 drops of the serum on the face daily, before going to bed. 3. Herbal Facial Steam. Facial steaming softens stale sebum that clogs the pores. To make it, you need to boil 1 liter of filtered water in a wide pot. Add these ingredients to the pot before boiling: 4 to 5 basil leaves and 4 to 5 mint leaves. Once you remove the pot from the flame, add 4 to 5 drops of frankincense essential oil in it. Cover your head with a towel, lean over the pot, and enjoy the steaming procedure for 5 to 10 minutes. The benefit is that your pores will be open, and the ingredients will be able to penetrate the pores, killing any acne-causing bacteria. 4. Spot Treatment. Mix the following ingredients in a glass jar: 3 drops of frankincense oil, 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, and 3 drops of tea tree essential oil. Use the mixture over the spots 2-3 times per day. 5. Moisturizer Upgrade. This one is the simplest. Using your clean finger, just mix a drop or 2 of frankincense oil with your regular moisturizer, and apply as usual. Make sure you get pure and high-quality frankincense essential oil to enjoy the most benefits for your skin.